What's going on, everyone? We have a filing to talk about out of CBOE, and this one is a filing to add a new trading session, and we'll get into that. It's called the Curb Trading Session. This is SR CBOE 2021-017, and this was filed on March 26th. There's a little bit of background on this that we'll get into, but basically this is an order filed and an order granting accelerated approval of a proposed rule change as modified by Amendment Number 2 to adopt a new trading session that will operate after the close of the regular trading hours session. So, introduction. On December 15th, 2021, CBOE filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission a proposed rule change to adopt a new 45-minute trading session that will operate after the close of the regular trading hours. The proposed rule change was published for comment in the Fed Register on December 23rd, 2021. On January 12, 2022, the Commission designated a longer period for commission on the proposed rule change until March 23rd. And, of course, on February 14th, the Exchange filed Amendment Number 1 to the proposed rule change, which replaced and superseded the proposed rule change. On March 4th, the Exchange filed Amendment Number 2 to the proposed rule change, which replaced and superseded the proposed rule change. The Commission has received no comment letters on the proposal. The Commission is publishing this notice to solicit comments on the proposed change as modified by Amendment Number 2 from interested persons and is approving the proposed rule as modified by Amendment Number 2 on an accelerated basis. Now, the purpose of this, again, they propose to amend its rules to allow trading on the exchange during a new 45-minute trading session called the Curb Trading Hours or Curb Session. And the proposed rule change to adopt a third trading session aims to increase the overlap in time that the SPX, the VIX, and the mini SPX options are open alongside the related futures contracts. Now, the supernote here says, for example, related futures products such as CBOE Volatility Index futures are currently available for trading on CBOE Futures Exchange during an extended trading hour session from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Related future contracts are also offered on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange during the proposed hours of Curb. So they're basically saying other exchanges do it, we want to do it too. By way of background, the exchange currently offers two trading sessions: regular trading hours, which we're going to refer to in this filing as RTH, and global trading hours, which we will refer to as GTH. Rule 5.1 currently sets forth the trading hours for the exchanges, RTH and GTH trading sessions. Particularly the RTH for transactions in equity options, including options on individual stocks, ETFs, ETNs, and other securities, are the normal business days and hours set forth in the rules of the primary market currently trading the securities underlying the options, except for options on ETFs, ETNs, index portfolio shares, index portfolio receipts, and trust issued receipts to the exchange designates to remain open for trading beyond 4 p.m., but in no case later than 4:15 p.m. Regular trading hours and index options are from 9:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m., subject to certain exceptions, of course. So the global trading hour session currently begins at 8:15 p.m. the previous day, which they just changed this a few months ago. That's right, that's not a typo. 8:15 p.m. and goes until 9:15 a.m. on Monday through Friday. That's the global trading hour session. The exchange's rules provide that the exchange may designate as eligible for trading during GTH any exclusively listed index option designated for trading under Chapter 4, Section B. Currently, the SPY VIX and the SPY Mini are approved for trading during GTH. Those are the only three, I believe. Now, if this supernote here says that the exchange designates a class of index options as eligible for trading during the global trading hours, flex options with the same underlying index are also deemed eligible for trading during global trading hours. The exchange also notes that although eligible, the mini S&P 500 is not currently listed for trading during GTH. Now, the proposed Curb session will provide an extra 45-minute electronic-only session for trading between 4:15 p.m. and 5 p.m. for designated classes, which will be added Monday through Friday. Unlike the current RTH and GTH trading sessions, there will be no opening auction process that initiates the Curb trading session. Rather, RTH will seamlessly transition to the Curb trading session at 4:15 p.m., which is when RTH for index options products ends. Now, any unexecuted orders that are eligible to trade during the curb trading session that remain on the book at the end of the RTH trading session will remain on the book and be eligible for execution during curb. Now, proposed rule 5.1D2 will provide that the exchange may list for trading during the curb trading session any series and eligible classes that it may list pursuant to rule 4.13. Any series and eligible classes that were open for trading during RTH are expected to be open for trading during the curb session on that same day. The exchange notes, however, that it will not list any PM settled series during curb on a series expiration, such as a series that would continue to expire prior to the start of the curb trading session at 4 p.m. on such date. AM settled options will cease trading at the conclusion of the curb session, the business day preceding the last day of trading in the underlying securities prior to expiration. Now, Supernote 23 says flex options with an exercise price that is a percentage of the closing value of the underlying index on the trade date will not be available during curb, nor are they available during the current GTH hours, as the exercise price is linked to the RTH market close for the underlying index. Now, we do have some new definitions here. We have all sessions class, and all sessions class is a class that is currently eligible to trade during both GTH and RTH. The exchange proposes to amend the definition so that such term applies to an options class the exchange lists for trading during all 3 trading sessions. We have book and simple book. As noted above, the book used during curb will be the same book used during the other 2 trading sessions. The exchange therefore proposes to amend this definition so that such terms mean the electronic book of simple orders and quotes maintained by the system, which single book will be used during all 3 sessions, including the new curb session. Now we have business day and trading day. The exchange proposes to reflect that a business day or trading day includes all trading sessions on that day, which includes GTH, RTH, and curb. Further, the exchange will make clear that a business day or trading day that immediately follows a domestic holiday includes the RTH session, the curb session, and the 2 GTH sessions that immediately precede it. Next, we have the curb trading hours and curb. This is just the definition we just described in this video. It's a new trading window that will be in effect 45 minutes after the close. And curb trading hours and curb mean the trading session consisting of the hours outside of the other 2 trading windows. Having a separate definition for each trading session allows the exchange rules to reflect these differences in separation of the trading sessions. We also have global trading hours and GTH. The exchange also proposes to update the definition to add a reference to the new curb trading hours. Trading session, same thing. They're just going to provide reference, update the hours for which the exchange is open for the 3 different types. And in essence, the adoption of the curb's trading session is designed to increase the overlap in time that the S&P 500, the SPY Mini, and the VIX options are open alongside the related futures contracts. The proposed curb session will provide an extra 45 minutes, electronic only, for trading between 4:15 and 5 p.m. Eastern for designated classes, which will be added Monday through Friday. That's it. Approved on accelerated basis.